Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to use auto velocity feature in CapCut, the easiest way. If you want to make your videos look smooth and professional with color speed frames, this is the fastest way to do it. Let's get started. So first of all, you just need to find out your velocity options. Like we're going to add velocity in here, so I will place the clip in here. Here you can see the video over here, so I will separate the audio from that place. So here we can easily remove the we can extract the audio, and we did, and I will make it mute. Now I just need to find the auto velocity option. So now look for the speed option in the toolbar below, tap it. So if you select the clip, and here you will find out the speed option. So here you can see we have a couple of options. So under that one we have velocity effects also, so you can use this velocity effect in here like that way, and it will be applied. Now you can see the processing on the way. So if I play the video here, you can see the velocity already been worked. So this way you can add velocity effect in CapCut easily. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.